Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed last week. You had corn and wheat trading lower while beans ended the week higher. They're all currently lower this morning. A couple things to note as of this morning. USDA announced some sales. Corn sales for 2013-14 delivery of 103,600 metric tons were sold to unknown, and then you had 115,000 metric tons of soybean sales for 2013-14 delivery going to China, and then you also had sales going for the same amount to unknown destinations as well. So moving forward, that's some of the news this morning. Really tight trading range last week for the corn market. I think it was 8 3/4 cent wide. So that's one of the lowest trading ranges we've seen in a long time weekly for corn. I mean, it used to have that trading range in an hour. So volatility has really dropped off in the corn market. Another thing to note, Friday soybean options expired, and as we noted in the video last week, the 13 strike level had the highest open interest, and lo and behold, the market settled right at 13 even. So as usual, the market tends to hover around where the highest open interests are for strike prices. So moving forward, we got crop progress coming out this afternoon at 3 p.m. Central. We'll discuss that on tomorrow's report. Not a whole lot of news coming into the morning. One thing, if you trade European markets, they don't observe daylight savings time anymore. That started yesterday, so they'll open and close an hour earlier. So for those of you that trade those markets, keep your mind on that, as that will affect the closing and opening times moving forward. So not a whole lot out there today. That's all we've got. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.